guys, today I have a haul video for you guys. I'm going to show you guys some things. I am going to show you guys some things that I purchased off Poshmark. I purchased a couple bundles. That's mainly where I've been doing my sourcing. But yeah, I got some cool things and I just wanted to show you guys. Okay, you ready? Here we go. First off, let's start out with 3 disappointments. So these are, I think this was 3 different bundles. So 2 of the sellers sold me things with stains on them. They did not disclose them in the description and you couldn't see them in the pictures either. So that was super fucking frustrating. I could return it, but you have to return the whole bundle. That's what sucks with bundles. You can't just return one thing, which, I mean, it makes sense, obviously, but it's still kind of annoying. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep these for sale or just keep them for myself. I don't know. But first is this pink Victoria's Secret sweatshirt. It's a size medium, a really pretty baby blue color. And it's like a cropped sweatshirt too. The stain here is on the back. I don't know if my camera is gonna pick it up. It's pretty big, it's right here. I don't think my camera's gonna pick it up, but there's definitely a stain there. Next thing that had a stain on it, this is pink Victoria's Secret size extra small. Super cute coral pullover. There is a stain, a little tiny one right here. My lights are washing it out, but yeah, there's a stain right there. But this is super cute anyway. This one I'll probably sell because the stain really isn't that noticeable, and plus if you have like long hair, your hair's gonna be covering it. So this one I'm probably gonna still sell. And then this one, I might keep this one for myself because I like it. This is pink yoga. Pink Victoria's Secret. It says pink yoga on the tag. It is a size medium. It's just a white or like kind of like off-white creamy color sweatshirt. It says pink. That is stain on the back here. Super frustrating when that happens, like just. Okay, next we have a pink Victoria's Secret sweatshirt. This is a zip up, size small, just a black sweatshirt. This one does have like the letters are cracking and peeling. I did know that. So this one will be definitely sold for a little bit cheaper. And I have another similar one. This is size extra small. The letters are just a little bit bigger. This one's in really, really good condition. Another pink Victoria's Secret sweatshirt. This is a size extra small. Don't let the size extra small throw you off though, because Victoria's Secret sizing is just not accurate at all. Like I can fit into extra smalls and I'm not an extra small. So yeah, definitely like look at the measurements because I provide measurements on everything. But this is more like a medium, I would say. But this is really cute. It's a cowl neck sweatshirt, kind of cropped. Really cute. I like the little stringies here. It says pink on them. I'll just do all the pink Victoria's Secret, get that out of the way. So this is a size, where are you? Extra small. Again, don't let the size fool you because this is probably more like a small. But it's just a gray hoodie, pink on the side here. It says pink right there. And then on the hood on the back. Really cute. All right, another cowl neck. This is a size, where are you? A medium. This one's really cute. Doesn't have the little stringies, but like who uses hoodie strings anyway? You know, like I just feel like they piss me off, you know, because if it's like a windy day, they'll be like all up in your face, and then, you know, if one's longer than the other, that irritates me. I just, you know, some people are like, oh, it doesn't have a string. Like, do you use them? Do you use them? Do you like scrunch the hoodie in your head? Like, you know, who uses the hoodie strings? Maybe a lot of people do. Maybe I'm the weirdo, but anyway, no hoodie strings on this because there's no hood. It's just a cowl neck. Looks like this. It says pink, and it's like a, I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, there we go. This is in really, really, really good condition. It says love pink on the back. Last, oh, hold on. First off, let's talk about my shirt. So it just says Los Angeles on it. I saw like months ago, maybe even like a year ago, I saw Liza Adele wearing this shirt. If you guys don't follow her, I'll link her channel down below. She doesn't do like Poshmark videos or anything. She does like mommy videos and like day in the life type videos, but I love her. But yeah, she was wearing this shirt. She got it at Target and I was like, oh, it's so cute. And I was gonna buy it, but I don't know, I just didn't. And then I saw it on Poshmark and I actually got it in a bundle. Did I show you guys in a video? I don't remember if I did, but this was in a bundle recently. It's by the Wild Fable line. I really like that line from Target. They have some really, really cool clothes. But it's just like a I don't know, like a grungy looking long sleeve shirt. Like it's like oversized. I don't know, I just like it. I like the pink and the gray. I think it looks cute. Anyway, last Victoria's Secret sweatshirt. This is size extra small. Looks like this. I like the color of this. And it's meant to look like fuzzy, you know, like somebody might look at this and be like, oh, it's all pilly. But no, that's the material. Like it's meant to look fuzzy like that. But yeah, looks like that. And this is kind of, is it kind of cropped? No, maybe not, because it's an extra small. Nah. Got some shorts. These are Levi's shorty shorts, size 9. Some distressing. A little distressing on the pocket. Guys, I'm loving me some Levi's. I'll save my favorite for last. Lighting. So I wanted to throw these guys in the video as well. So I showed these in a previous haul video. There was some staining on the legs. I actually distressed these jeans. These are Adriana Goldschmied Stilt Cigarette leg jeans, size 28. And I went ahead and distressed the other leg where like the stains were. I mean, if you look close, you can still see like the one stain, but I don't know. I think it looks better with like the distressing. And I cut off the bottoms, so now the bottoms are raw hem. These are really nice jeans. I wish they were my size because I would keep them. Okay, we got a pair of Lulus. Got a pair of Lululemon shorts. I have no idea what these are called. There's no size tag on these. I would say, I mean, hold on, isn't the size, if it's like this, I thought it's supposed to be like, I don't know. You know how on some of the shorts, you know, you look in the pocket. I don't know. This is what they look like. Really cute. I don't know what size these are. I'm gonna have to measure them. Again, the sizing. You know, it's always hidden. And I don't know the type of shorts these are called. These are like fuzzy. I don't know what they're called. If anyone knows what they're called, help me out. Help me out. Okay, we got 2 pairs of Citizens of Humanity shorts. These are the Cape Cod number 309 stretch shorts. So, funny story. The guy that I purchased these from actually sent me these. Like these weren't the shorts that I originally ordered, and he sent me these by mistake. He did end up sending me the ones I ordered. I'll show you those next. So yeah, I mean, I was like, okay. You know, I was gonna keep these because, you know, people make mistakes. It was an honest mistake, and he was super nice about it. He's like, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. He's like, I'll send you the new ones next day. I'm like, you don't have to. He's like, no. I'm like, okay. So he did. But yeah, these are these shorts. Oh my gosh. Lighting. Look like that on the back. Did I tell you what size these are? I didn't. They are size 29. These are the actual shorts that I ordered. Again, Citizens of Humanity. These are the Ingrid number 2 low waist flare stretch shorts, size 30. Like that. 2 more things. This is a Free People sweater. This is so cute. It's a size small, and it's just a cropped fuzzy sweater. Like seriously, this is so friggin' cute. I want to keep this for myself. Like, how cute is this? It's so fuzzy, 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 cozy. Yeah, really cute. Okay, and the last thing are a pair of Levi's 501 shorts. I don't know the sizing. I'm gonna have to measure them. The listing said size 27, I believe, and you know, just by eyeballing it, it looks to be maybe about right, but again, I will measure them. They are black distressed 501 shorts. Love these so much. Oh, lighting. No, don't do that to me. There. And that's what they look like on the back. So that is everything that I purchased in my recent Poshmark buying spree. I've been waking up every morning at like 3 a.m. and I'm like, what do? I try to go back to sleep. I'm like, it's time to Posh. So I like have one eye open. I'm like, okay, do I buy this? Do I buy this? Do I buy this? That's why, like, when I got those items, I was like, okay, maybe it was my fault because I was literally like shopping at 3 a.m. on Poshmark, so maybe I overlooked the listings, but unfortunately I didn't. I know people make mistakes. One girl was really defensive about it, so yeah. Okay. So if you're interested in anything in my closet by the time this video is up, everything will be there. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.